Okay, welcome to the BSN channel. I've got my Abɛnkwan in front of me. Beautiful. Thank you, Mum. Yeah, she's the cameraman woman.
That's alright.
Okay. I'm gonna do a quick prayer. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so we'll begin with the totobi, got the snail, got janam, the emery, cheese, trust me. Okay.
Don't forget to pull your sleeves whilst you're doing Fioto. Is it nice?
Cheese! I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I don't know what to say. It's been a long time since I've had Abɛnkwan, Mom.
Just say thank you to Mommy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's so tasty. It's not a joke.
What do you
It's
think?
so tasty. What do you think, y'all?
Oh, he's too busy.
Yeah. His reactions are never that good. Oh, it's beautiful. Like, I could have the soup on its own. But obviously, no disrespect to the fufu. I have a bit more snail. Snail's beautiful.
Are you enjoying it? You can't even talk.
Anyway, we'll end the video. The snail is nice and tender. Usually, when it's been left out for too long, it's not tender. It's hard, like the dried one, which is fine. But this is the fresh one, where you can chew into it. I'm telling you, the snail is beautiful. See right here? I think you got another full one here. Oh, no, it's this one. Sorry. That's part of it here. It's beautiful. I'm telling you. Another one here. Slipping away. That's how you know it's slippery. Like it's okra.
You seem to be enjoying this.
It's beautiful.
And which one is that?
This is the emery.
Oh, the mushroom. It's a special one. You're making people feel hungry, probably. Sunday.
And when you chew the mushroom, the soup that has absorbed in it gushes out on your tongue. So there's more soup inside of the mushroom.
Yes.
I'm telling you. See, you should make heavy soup more. You're always making light soup, Mum.
Right, so in this case, I'm going to be taking over of heavy dew in London. Heavy dew, so heavy dew soup and fufu. This soup, you can even eat it with banku, you can eat it with kokunte, you can eat it with yam, pounded yam, fufu. You can eat it with even rice, mucho. You can eat it with lots of things.
Oh, many things. So tasty.
The flavor to go about 10 different meats or ingredients inside the soup. It's not just straightforward. Wow. You seems to be enjoying this. You can't even talk.
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Is it too chilly? Or it's just right?
I always breathe like that. It's not chilly. Everyone thinks I find it hot.
Yeah, I mean, is it?
But it's hot. But it's not too hot.
It's on and on. Right.
But if you like this cooking that you saw, subscribe. So if you like the cooking, subscribe, and if you dislike, say why. Peace out. I'm gonna enjoy this food. Otherwise, it'll splash on the camera.